Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ channel. In this channel, we are trying to bring to you all latest updates of government jobs in finance domain every week. So please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's begin and go through updates pertaining to this week. Friends, the first vacancy is from ONGC Petro Editions Limited, which is a joint venture promoted by ONGC and co-promoted by GAIL and GSPC. Friends, here the recruitment is for one vacancy of senior executive at Gujarat. Friends, the education qualification asked is either a chartered accountant or a cost and management accountant. Friends, it's a permanent post and you need to have 3 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the package would range between 7.5 to 10.5 lakhs in this case, and you'll have to apply online latest by 7 July 2021. So friends, before we move ahead, an important piece of information for those who applied for junior accountant or accounts officer at Rajasthan Rajya Vidyut Nigam Limited and its group of companies, or have applied for supervisor trainee finance at BHEL, please visit our website financemcq.in, where the entire technical syllabus, which consists of 60% weightage in case of Rajasthan Rajya Vidyut Nigam Limited and 67% weightage in case of Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, that is 100 marks out of total 150 marks, is brought to you in MCQ format for practice. Friends, here there are more than 2000 plus questions for practice with added explanation for correct answers wherever required for conceptual clarity. Friends, there is also an email support for clarification of doubts raised by candidates while practicing these contents. And friends, let me tell you, the entire content of financemcq.in is prepared by chartered accountant or cost and management accountant, which gives the course a professional edge and in-depth coverage of the entire technical syllabus. And friends, if you visit financemcq.in and take a demo, you will realize that the system is designed in such a way as to give the candidates a real exam-like environment. So do visit financemcq.in and practice for your exam well. All the best. Friends, next vacancy is from Himachal Pradesh Public Service Commission for the recruitment of 2 posts of Assistant Registrar Corporation. Friends, here the education qualification asked is a bachelor's degree or its equivalent. Friends, the upper limit is 35 years. It's a permanent vacancy post and you don't need to have an experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, here your per month pay scale would range between 10,300 to 34,800 with a grade pay of rupees 5,000. Friends, here the earlier deadline to apply for this vacancy was 15th June, but it has been extended now to 22nd June 2021. So those who have still not applied can go ahead and apply for this vacancy. Moving on, next vacancy is from National Board of Examinations in Medical Sciences, an autonomous body under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Friends, here the recruitment is for 8 vacancies of senior assistant at New Delhi. Friends, the education qualification asked is a bachelor's degree and upper age limit is 27 years. Friends, these are permanent posts and even freshers are also eligible to apply. Friends, the package would be 8.5 lakhs gross and you have to apply online latest by 14th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the post of junior assistant. Here there are total 30 vacancies and the education qualification asked is past 12th and having proficiency in using computers and basic software packages. Friends, upper limit is 27 years, again a permanent post and even freshers are also eligible to apply. Friends, here your package would be 4 lakhs gross and you'll have to apply online by 14th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from the same organization. Here the recruitment is for 4 vacancies of junior accountant. Friends, the education qualification asked is a bachelor's degree with maths or statistics or a degree in commerce. Friends, the upper limit is same, that is 27 years. Friends, it's a permanent post. Here there's no compulsory experience required. However, desirable experience is of 3 years. Friends, the package would be 5 lakhs gross, mode of application and last date is same as shown in the previous slide. And friends, for all the vacancies shown in this video, the link is given in the description box below. So those who want to apply can directly click there and apply for their vacancies. Friends, next vacancy is from Military College of Telecommunication Engineering, Mau. Friends, here the recruitment is for 14 vacancies of lower divisional clerk at Madhya Pradesh. Friends, the education qualification asked is 12th pass with typing speed of 35 words per minute in English and 30 words per minute in Hindi. Friends, the upper limit is 25 years. These are permanent posts and even freshers are also eligible to apply. Friends, the package would be 4 lakhs gross and you'll have to apply offline latest by 26 July 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Ministry of Agriculture and Family Welfare for the recruitment of accounts officer. Friends, here the post is on deputation. That means those officers who are already holding analogous post or having 5 years of experience in level 6 of 7th CPC or having passed the subordinate account services exam or have completed the ISTM training are eligible to apply. Friends, the package would be 8.5 lakhs gross. You have to apply offline latest by 10th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Birla Institute of Technology and Science, Pilani. And here the recruitment is for one vacancy of senior office assistant admissions. Friends, the education qualification asked is a graduation and upper age limit is 35 years. Friends, it's a permanent post and you need to have experience between 5 to 8 years to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the package would be 6 lakhs gross, and to apply for this vacancy you will have to mail to hr@hyderabad.bits-pilani.ac.in latest by 25th June 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 3 vacancies of office assistant at Hyderabad. Friends, the education qualification asked is a graduation and upper age limit is 35 years. These are again permanent posts, and in this case you need to have experience between 3 to 5 years to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the package would be 5 lakhs gross and mode of application last date is same as shown in the previous slide. Friends, next vacancy is from Tezpur University for the recruitment of 4 vacancies of upper division clerk and 4 vacancies of lower divisional clerk at Assam. Friends, the education qualification for upper divisional clerk is a bachelor's degree, while to apply for lower divisional clerk you should have passed 12th pass along with English typing speed of 35 words per minute in computer and 30 words per minute in a manual typewriter. Friends, the upper limit is 27 years. These are permanent posts and freshers are also eligible to apply. And friends, as far as package is concerned, for UDC you will get 5 lakhs per annum, and for LDC you will get 4 lakhs per annum. Friends, to apply for this vacancy you will have to first apply online by 13 July and send the hard copy along with the relevant enclosures by 23rd July 2021. Friends, next vacancy from the same university for the recruitment of 2 vacancies of assistant registrar. Friends, the education qualification asked is a master's degree with at least 55%. Friends, the upper age limit here is 35 years. These are again permanent posts and even freshers are also eligible to apply. Friends, the package would be 11 lakhs gross, mode of application and last date is same as shown in the previous slide. Moving on, next vacancy is for the recruitment of 2 vacancies of junior accountant again by Tezpur University. Friends, here the education qualification asked is a bachelor's degree in commerce. Friends, again a permanent post in even freshers are also eligible to apply. Friends, the package would be 5 lakhs gross, mode of application and last date is same, that is you have to apply online first by 13 July and send the hard copy by 23rd July 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Assam Tea Employees Provident Fund Organization for the recruitment of 25 vacancies of junior assistant. Friends, here the education qualification asked is graduation with minimum 6 months diploma or certificate in computer proficiency. Friends, the upper limit is 30 years. These are permanent posts and you don't need to have any experience to apply for this vacancy. Your per month pay scale would range between the basic of 14,000 to 49,000 along with grade pay of rupees 6,200. Friends, here the link is not yet opened, but the last date would be 14th August. So we will definitely update you once the link is activated in the website. Moving on, friends, next vacancy is from Tata Institute of Fundamental Research for National Centre of the Government of India for Nuclear Science and Mathematics. Friends, here the recruitment is for one vacancy of clerk at Mumbai. Friends, the education qualification asked is graduation with minimum 50% marks. Friends, the upper limit is 28 years. This is a permanent post and you need to have 1 year of experience to apply for this vacancy, and you will get a package of 35,000 rupees per month, and you have to apply online latest by 3rd July 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from ICR Tarlabalu Krishi Vigyan Kendra, which is under Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Friends, here the recruitment is for one vacancy of assistant at Karnataka. Friends, the education qualification asked is a bachelor's degree and upper age limit is 27 years. Again a permanent post and freshers are also eligible to apply. Here you will get a package of 6.8 lakhs per annum and you'll have to apply online to the institute latest by 11 July 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences, which is an autonomous institute under government of the National Capital Territory. Friends, here the recruitment is for one vacancy of Junior Executive Finance and Accounts at Delhi. Friends, the education qualification asked is BCom and the upper age limit is 35 years. Friends, this is a permanent post and you need to have 2 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the package would be 5 lakhs gross and you have to apply online latest by 20th July 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Madhya Pradesh Public Service Commission for the recruitment of 92 vacancies of Assistant Director Prosecution Officer at Madhya Pradesh. Friends, here the education qualification asked is a degree in law. Friends, the upper limit is 40 years, all are permanent posts and you don't need to have any experience to apply for this vacancy. The package would be 6.8 lakhs gross and you'll have to apply online latest to MPPSC by 16th July 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from the National Institute of Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development, which is under Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India. Friends, here the recruitment is for 2 vacancies of senior assistant and 2 vacancies of junior assistant at Noida. Friends, the education qualification for both the post is bachelor's degree and upper age limit is also 30 years. Friends, these are contractual posts, and as far as experience is considered, you should have 4 years of experience for senior assistant and 2 years of experience for junior assistant vacancy. Friends, the package you will get is 6.85 lakhs for senior assistant and 5 lakhs for junior assistant. Friends, to apply, either you can apply offline or you can also mail to mohitdutt@niesbud.gov.in latest by 10th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Central Institute of Educational Technology, which is a constituent of the National Council of Educational Research and Training (NCERT). Friends, here the recruitment is for 2 contractual posts of accountant. Friends, the education qualification asked is graduation or post-graduation degree in commerce or mathematics with minimum 55% marks. Friends, they have not mentioned any upper age limit in the advertisement, but these are contractual posts and you need to have 2 years of experience to apply for this vacancy, and you'll get a consultant amount of rupees 35,000 per month. Friends, to apply for this vacancy, you will have to apply online latest by 23rd June 2021. So that's all for this week, friends. I hope the video was useful. So thank you very much for watching. Take care and goodbye.